Hello and welcome you all. In today's video, we will learn about the shooting star candlestick pattern. Shooting star candlestick pattern is a bearish reversal pattern. And it looks something like this. There is a lot of opening price and closing price. And there will be 2 or 3 times more than the upper shadow body. Whereas there will be a small lower shadow body or sometimes may not. Let's see how this candle works. If the market is in downtrend and there is a pullback in the market, then it works very well. Beginners search for the shooting star in the bullish market. Whereas you should search for it during the pullback in the bearish market. This is how the shooting star candle works well. As soon as the shooting star next candle break its low, then you have to place your entry. And the shooting star's high is your stop loss. Ride with the trend by trailing your stop loss and book profits.